Taylor, do you have the hiccups? You have the hiccups? You're looking very cute today. Yeah? You gonna talk? You talking to us? Can you tell everybody you say hi? Oh, really? Is that the case? Did you have fun hanging out with your daddy today? Did you? You gotta think about it, don't you? Why do you get so freaked out by the phone?